Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to remove the side mirror on a Honda Pilot. To start off, use a small flathead screwdriver and we're going to remove this cap here behind the door panel. Just pry in on the little notch at the top there and pop it out. And in behind there is 2 Phillips screws that need to come out. And next, remove this Phillips screw below the armrest. And then on the lower part of the door panel by the speaker, you're going to grab hold of the edge with both hands and pop the door panel loose from the door by just pulling out on it. And then just keep working your way around the door panel, putting your hands in behind the door panel and just pulling out on it and popping it loose. And then just take the door panel and wiggle a little bit and pick up on it, and then just let it hang off here to the side. And then just pop this cap off by pulling out on it. And then it has a wire it needs unplugged. Just push on the tab and pull out. And then unplug the mirror by the same thing, push on the tab and pull out on it. And then you just got to remove these 3 nuts using a 10mm socket. And then before taking this last nut off, you just want to reach one of your hands around and hold on to the mirror just in case it falls off. And then just use both hands and wiggle on the mirror a little bit and pull out on it. And that's it guys. Mirror's off. Thanks for watching.